Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on getting to know the BricsCAD Mechanical interface. Open your BricsCAD Mechanical and let's jump in. At the top of the screen, you'll notice the familiar ribbon tabs that house your essential design tools. While you'll find the standard tabs for general modeling, BricsCAD Mechanical introduces unique features tailored to mechanical design. Specifically, you'll see the Sheet Metal tab, a dedicated space for working with metal components. This tab goes beyond basic tools, offering the ability to create flanges, bends and reliefs that ensure your designs are accurate and ready for manufacturing, something that truly sets BricsCAD Mechanical apart. As your project becomes more complex, you'll rely on the Assembly tab, another distinctive feature. This tab isn't just about placing parts. It helps you build relationships between components, manage their arrangement, and guarantee that everything functions seamlessly as a whole. It's what makes organizing and refining complex assemblies more intuitive and efficient compared to any other platform. Now, let's explore the right side of the screen, where the Properties panel is located. Here, you'll find non-mechanical properties of entities, such as colors and layers, allowing for easy adjustments and customization. At the bottom center of the screen, you'll find the command bar. This is where you enter commands directly, providing quick and straightforward control over your design choices. On the left side of the interface, you'll find the Mechanical Properties panel. It's designed to display the mechanical properties of the node you've selected, making it easy to understand and edit specific components. The slim column on the left is the Dockable Tool panel. This area lets you conveniently dock various panels, such as the Mechanical Browser. The Mechanical Browser is one of the most important tools here. It has a tree structure displaying components, arrays, features, constraints, and parameters. It's like your roadmap, showing all the components and how they fit together. Plus, when you click on a component name, it highlights it in blue on the drawing, so you always know what you're editing. At the top of the Mechanical Browser panel, you can adjust settings, group constraints, sort components, and even search for specific elements. It's all about making navigation and editing simpler. BricsCAD also features a comprehensive library panel filled with standard parts in various sizes and metrics, ready for use in your projects. It's an invaluable resource for speeding up the design process. As you work, you'll notice the quad cursor appears when you hover over the model. This smart menu adapts to your workflow, offering relevant tools right at your cursor, making design faster and easier. And there you have it, a complete tour of the BricsCAD Mechanical interface, setting you up for smooth and efficient design. If you're eager to try it out yourself, contact Present Trade today to get your free trial. Happy designing!